Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to switch between navigation gestures and buttons on your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. So if you are currently don't like how your navigation through your phone, whether you are using your buttons or gesture, you can also switch this. First, open up your setting, scroll down towards the display. Here, you wanted to look for the option navigation bar right here and tap on it. Then from here, you should see the buttons and the swipe gesture. So currently mine is set to buttons, which is why I have these three buttons available for me. From these three buttons, I can open all the apps, I can go to home, and I can navigate back buttons. So these are the three buttons that I use to navigate on my phone. If I wanted to switch to other options, so for example, swipe gesture, just tap on that and now you should see a navigation swipe gesture bar at the bottom, meaning you successfully switch between navigation types. So now if I want to go back to the home screen, I just swipe up and it will go back to the home screen. If I want to open multiple view window, I swipe up and hold to the middle of the screen to view all the apps running in the background. If I wanted to go back, swipe either on the left side or the right side and it will take me back to where I previously was. So this is how you can use the swipe gesture on your Galaxy A37 5G. Again, if you wanted to switch back to the buttons, just select the buttons. If you are under buttons, you should see the option to change the buttons order. So this is how it is currently set with multiple views, home and back. You can choose to invert it so that it can be back, home and then multi-view. Alternatively, if you are using the swipe gesture, when you tap on more options, you can increase or decrease the gesture sensitivity by using this slider. So you can set it to high, medium or low. It's completely up to you to decide how you want to customize it. When you are happy, you just exit the setting app knowing you have successfully customized your navigation gesture or buttons on your device. So guys, that is how you can do that. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Peace.